Hi, I'm Nasser Tambouz with a construction update here at the Banks Precinct, Rockdale. We are now in the exciting final stages of construction on the site. Building B, which includes 79 units as well as apartments on levels 1 to 6 in Building A, are almost ready to occupy. Our client care team is preparing to present these apartments to you for the first time during the pre-settlement viewing. The remaining units on the upper levels of 7 to 11, as well as ground floor units in both buildings, will be completed in November, and purchasers of these apartments will be invited to view them shortly after. Downstairs, the car parks are complete and storage cages are installed. The common areas are almost done and 90% of the work on the public domain is finished. We are excited to have you moving in soon, enjoying a great lifestyle here at Rockdale.